got this on sale. Practically got it for free. I don't know if any of you watch Supermarket Sweep. Welcome back. We're excited about this video because finally I received some items that I ordered that were shipped to my US PO box, which I ordered I think around mid-January. The best thing is one of these packages has my very first Dior fashion accessory. So stay tuned for that. If you want to start guessing which one is it, please write them in the comment below. Let me know your guesses. Very excited, especially because these items that I bought, I practically got it for free. And I will let you know more about it later. Before I continue, I just want to express how happy and very appreciative I am, generally appreciative of your comments and kind words that you wrote in my previous video. A lot of you have expressed that you appreciate my skin tone, and how do I say it? This is very special to me because growing up in the Philippines, you won't really hear anyone complimenting you for having brown or tan skin. Of course, I have been very fortunate to be surrounded by people who love me and appreciate me, you know, for who I am. To be honest, I don't really have any experience of bullying, but it is very apparent that you are favored more if you have lighter skin in the Philippines, and I think this is very true in most Asian countries. So you could just tell how happy I am and very appreciative of your comments about loving my complexion, because I love my complexion as well. I'm very confident about my skin and I'm just so happy. I feel like I continue to be lucky and surrounded with nice, beautiful, sweet people, even virtually, because you guys are awesome and kind. I am so very thankful that this community that we have here, we are 1,500 strong and counting, hopefully counting more. And so far I've never seen any toxic comment. I've never have any toxic experience being a YouTube creator in my short time of being here. I hope it continues to be like that. I hope we continue to attract like-minded people, beautiful people that support each other, and for that I am very, very thankful. Very, very thankful from the bottom of my heart. So before I start crying here, let's continue with our unboxing. First, let's unbox this one right here. It's from one of you, which I am very, very excited about. And please don't skip. Please do your best to watch the whole video through the end, as your way of supporting my channel to boost my watch hours. So, oh my gosh, very excited about this. This is from Betty Boop. She's one of my longtime subscribers and always leave a comment and kind words in my every video, to be honest. Like, she's mostly one of the first to comment and maybe like my video. So I am very, very grateful having her. Of course, I'm also grateful having all of you here in my channel. But this is actually a second gift from her. And I can't wait to show all of you. It's funny because one thing we shared is our love for Betty Boop. Betty Boop is like my very first fashion icon growing up. In fact, if you haven't seen it, I think I showed it in my previous video. One of the dress I created long time ago, about a decade ago, is inspired by her, and I put a clip here. In case you don't know, I have a certificate in dressmaking and pattern making, so I could create clothes from scratch. Maybe I'll start going back to sewing sometime. But yes, very excited. Oh my gosh, very sweet. I have some goodies here, Hershey's Kisses, which I will share with my kids. Thank you very much. we have the package right here. Very excited, and I'll show you shortly in case you miss the previous gift that she sent me. I'll show you where I put them in my office. Oh my gosh. Trying to be careful, make sure I don't cut any part of this precious thing. She said this is vintage, so we have to handle it with so much care. Oh, it's a photo frame. Oh, it's heavy. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I'm trying to be super duper careful. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Look at that. Ah, I have to print one of my photos and right here. This is another beautiful addition to my office decor. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Thank you, Chris. And by the way, other than sharing love for Betty Boop, we kind of share the same name. Christina, thank you so much. That's her nickname. But I think it's I have to ask her if she wants her real name to be announced here, but she goes by Christina, and you already know it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, so we kind of share the same name, same love for Betty Boop, and same love for Dior Beauty, right? So much. There's, I don't know, I can't contain my happiness right now. I'm so happy and very excited. Thank you so much, Chris. I really love it. Can't wait to put photos. Can't wait to put my photo in here, and I will treasure this forever and pass it on to my daughter because she loves fashion too. I know eventually she'll start loving Betty Boop, especially now that she's seeing all this treasure in my office. Let's move on to our next item. This is another vintage item, and funny, I don't know if any of you watch Supermarket Sweep. I just recently, well, since we moved here in Edmonton, we started watching it because it's one of the free channel that we watch, and so it's streaming on one of the free channel in our smart TV. And I really love the sweaters that the hosts wear in Supermarket Sweep. His name is David Ruperchet. David Rupert. I just can't pronounce his name. So I'll put his photo here and his complete name. But yeah, he's David, and he wears these sweaters. I like the design because I think they're different, and so luckily, you know, in the show credit they showed what brand it is, and I found one on eBay. So the brand is Michael Gerald. I was so happy that I found this on eBay. And I practically got this for free because I use my cashback reward from my Capital One shopping app. I believe that you can use Capital One shopping app even if you don't have a Capital One credit card. And I started using it around Christmas time, and I just started receiving cashback because I was shopping for Christmas gifts. And this is one of the first item I bought. I think I spent $30. With Capital One app, you can get your cashback through gift card. And one of the gift card I got is an eBay gift card for $30. And so I got this with that gift card. Look at this. Love the design. I am so excited to wear this. It's still very cold right now, so this is going to be awesome. I'm trying not to sniff it because I get so allergic, but yeah, this is great. I think this is made of, let's see what's, so I can wash it. It says gentle cycle, so that's awesome. Now, I'm not sure if this is made of wool or nylon, but so far it's soft. It doesn't have the fabric label, but yes, this is in very great condition and I can't wait to wear it. Here we go. Nice. Oh, I love this sweater. Looks great. Looks awesome. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. But once in a while, I want to share with you some of my fashion finds, and in this case, it will be my very first Dior fashion accessory. Alrighty, let's get into it. And finally, let's do an unboxing of this package right here. And like I've said, this will be my very first Dior fashion accessory item, and it's from Saks Fifth Avenue. Again, I practically got it for free. I used my Capital One cashback rewards from the app, and I got myself a message. This is my Dior year. And then, you could probably tell this is one of my wish list items, and you could probably tell by the box, the size of the box, and where it comes from. You could guess what it is. I am so glad that I got this on sale. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go, guys. Oh, love this. Love this case. It's leather. It's very nice leather, and it has magnet. I love that it's also slim. It's not too bulky. And by this, you probably already know what it is. And it is a pair of glasses. Yay! Here it is. So it has a very minimal branding like right there, which I love. And I don't know if you could tell, but it has some canage pattern. I love that this is a touch of red and orange. I don't have any glasses in this color. Oh my gosh, and the fit is perfect. Wow. I love the snug. It's not too tight. It's not loose at all. Like, I could do headband with it. So there you go. This is my very first Dior fashion accessories, and I can't wait to wear this because it's been very sunny out there. Like, whenever I go for a drop off and pick up, I definitely need one of this. I love this. Go, and let's check what's in the package. We have this care book, I assume. Yeah. And a Dior duster. No, to keep it clean. So I won't open it. Just leave it there. But yeah, there you go. My very first Dior sunglasses. And the very first item I can tick off my Dior wish list. Let me know what you think about it. I got this in super great price. And if you are interested in saving money for your next shopping, I highly recommend using the Capital One shopping app. This is not sponsored, and this is not an affiliate link. One of you suggested that I should start using affiliate link, but I will not gain anything if you install this app. In fact, if you install it, I believe you would automatically get around $40 that you could use right away. And it has a lot of partner brands, and one of them is Dior. As you can see here, I made about $20 cashback from one of my recent purchases, and that's not even $100 purchase. So it's a great app you could use because, you know, you're shopping online anyway. Might as well get cashback because, you know, it accumulates. And if you are like me, you have a goal, you want to buy something very specific, like this one, it went on sale. I think I spent $260, and it just so happened that I have enough cash back to buy it at the time. It was perfect timing, and so I practically got this for free, and so is the sweater. So there you have it. Let me know what you think of this very first item. Very excited to wear this, style it, and yeah, stay tuned for my next Dior unboxing. My Dior Beauty order from the Valentine's Day finally arrived, so you should see that anytime soon, within maybe a couple of days. I will unbox that with you. And yeah, I'm eyeing on another item from Dior that I could tick off my checklist, this time using my credit card reward. So I'm just so happy that I'm practically getting these items for free. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you were as excited as I am. Very, very grateful, by the way, that you are spending a little of your time to watch my video. Very appreciative of it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.